What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Man, it's been a long time since we did a golf vlog. Currently right now in Philly, so we're just outside of Philly right now. It's a golf course that I've never played before. So this course is called Northampton Valley Country Club. I don't know, but the course looks decent. The weather is in like the 30s. Golf in the 30s, like no fun. But the weather is actually super nice. So I only brought like 7 clubs with me. So okay, so I head into the bunker. My friend Perry's up there. I don't know, he's struggling, but I hit a bunker shot. Ended up right here for par. So. Since it's freezing today, man, I brought myself some drinks so I can keep myself warm, you know, get drunk at the same time. Just kidding. No, we're not gonna get drunk today. I think I have like 5 mini shots in there. Take a look at it. Well, you know what to do after a 3-putt. Drink time, baby. Let's go. Okay, the first one, we're gonna go with the Fireball. Got a lot of, you know, really good college memories with this thing freshman year. So we're gonna start off with this. Ooh, a lot of cinnamon right there. Tastes spicy though, but one down.
Nice one. Oh, a little bit short.
I hit like a low 170, I hit a 7-iron. Still didn't get there, so. It's windy out there, man. Philly's windy. It's cold.
Okay. 2-1. Oh, nice. Birdie. Go.
Let's go. That's a freaking chip and birdie. For the second shot, I'm gonna go the one. Since I birdie, I'm gonna go with the twisted T. I got 2. This is one of my favorite. Cheers. Oh. And I swear, I just got that putter too. I don't know. I already have 2 3-putts. I literally got that putter like a month ago. I thought it's gonna be great, but guess not.
That'll be further up. Oh, it was close.
Man, I really feel like I'm just really bad at reading those greens, man. I just either leave it really short or just long or just way off. Just my putting routine, I guess. Just not gonna go in. Okay, since we missed another short putt, another drink, we're gonna do this instead. Peaches 99 proof, 49.5%. I think I deserve this after missing 3 shortish putts. So that doesn't taste good. Tastes like beach, but that is a strong 49.5%.
Yeah, nice birdie,
Let's
dude.
go. Finally. You know what that means? It means another shot. So I got 3 more left. All right, Perry, pick one for me.
Green one.
The green one, the apple one. This is my 4th shot. Only 9 holes though. That's crazy. All right. Anyway, I think I shot like 2 over par with 2 birdies though. That's pathetic. My putting were pretty bad. Missed like 3 really makeable short putts. Ain't complaining though. I'm still having fun. You gotta be kidding me.
This close.
Let's fucking go, man. I'm like 10 feet away from birdie. Can I get another birdie?
Oh.
Here goes the reason why I just don't turn pro, because I ain't gonna make those. Barry, how you feeling? Feeling fucking good. Barry's gonna show us what you got. Ooh, nice. What should I get?
The blue one. You look like a little bit blue today.
I'm chilling.
Short.
I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
I would aim over the left bunker. The one on the right. You should be able to, but with the wind, it might be close.
Moment of truth. I'm like 15 feet away. Probably not gonna make it. There's a lot of slope involved, so. You gonna make it, Perry?
Yeah, you're gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make another birdie, right?
Peanut butter whiskey.
Peanut butter fucking.
Yes, sir. We're gonna finish this shit.
Oh, there you go.
That is shitty as fuck. Ooh, that was bad. Had a good time. 1 or 2 over. I'm happy with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all soon. Peace.